Hello.
Thanks for watching. Today we're doing a Dollar Tree shop with me. I asked Justin to come with me so he could kind of film a little bit. But yeah, I'm looking for holiday gift bags. I heard that the Oh Snap pickles that I love, so many of you guys said that it's at Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna go check it out. What else? I think that's it. And then we'll just go walk around and check it out. So they have decals. I love getting decals for the kids. They love sticking this on. So I think I'm gonna get a mixture because I'm not strict when it comes to decoration. As long as the kids are happy, I'm happy. So I'm gonna get this one and this one too. And they have these for the doors. We actually bought some last year, so I'm not gonna get any of these. Actually, Let It Snow looks really cute.
And the bells on an open sleigh. All I gotta do is shut my
Always need some tape. I don't know about you, but I love giving chocolate as like a stocking stuffer or additional gift or just a gift in itself. And look at this. Oh my gosh.
And I could see those twinkling lights and every street line with decorations.
Justin over here looking at food. Ooh, Reese's miniatures. Those are good stocking stuffers.
My absolute favorite.
Oh my gosh, look at all this candy, you guys. They have candy canes.
Liam and I actually watched the How It's Made on candy canes the other day.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I want to watch. Remember when we were dating, you took me to a place where they made candy canes? That was a fun date.
LA somewhere, I don't remember. But
Yeah.
It was so cool to see how they stretched it out and like.
Oh my, and then we got to eat it warm.
I know.
That was amazing. Okay, get him one, honey. It's okay. Yeah.
Giant, though.
It's okay. It's not for him to eat. And plus he hates peppermint, so it's more of like a novelty.
Maybe Jacob will like.
Oh no, let's not give him candy. Some more candy, you guys. Oh my gosh.
Mini ones now.
They have holiday mix. Justin decided not to get that big old one. Look at, this is a candy, you guys. This is actually really great, like a holiday gift for friends and family. You know, just give them a little chocolate with other things. If you're making a gift basket, this is a great idea, friends. These little chocolate Kringles, I like to like put tape and tape it on the boys' gift sometimes. It's a nice little treat for them. Oh, they have warheads. I loved warheads growing up. Oh, penguin pals. And then they have more here. Oh my gosh, these are such a steal. You go to the grocery store and they sell this for more than $1. And then SpongeBob, oh my gosh, you see that? And then over here they have candy-filled ornaments, which is really cute. And then lemon head flavored. I'm gonna have to get one. We're gonna have to try this out. Lemon. Oh, I dropped one. Sorry, my bad. There you go. But I'm gonna get one of those, guys. Gonna pick this up They have a bunch of gift bags. We bought a lot here last year too, and I saved my gift bags like for birthday parties if the kids have a birthday, or like last year's Christmas gift bags. Save those. And then gift tags. I'm gonna get one of these guys because I'm not picky with gift tags. As long as it says to and from, we're good. And this is like 52 pieces. They have more gift bags here, you guys. One for wine as well. Are we gonna give wine to someone? We should get a bag or two. How many?
Parties and stuff, like,
I think this is neutral because this one says happy holidays if they're celebrating anything else but Christmas, right? So this says joy. That's it. So one or two?
I think two.
Two is good. Yeah, okay, so let's do two. Two of these guys, the neutral one. And then they got the ugly Christmas sweater. I don't know what it is, but I feel like I need to get this. I think I'm just gonna get a variety for the kids because like I said, I'm not doing a theme of some sort, just anything festive and fun for the kids. So I'm just gonna get a variety. They've got the bigger gift bags. I'm just shocked that it's still the same price. I'm gonna get some of these gift bags. It's a little bigger than the one I showed you guys. This one, and then this one, and then I feel like I need to get one that's specifically for Justin. The one that says do not open until December 25th. And then what else? Okay, the glitter ones get on my nerves. Don't be getting the glitter ones. It's gonna get all over your house, all over your hands, on your children's faces. I need to reevaluate the gift bags that I purchased and make sure that it's not glittery. they have Christmas stickers and just like all these goodie bags. I usually do goodie bags for the kids, but I haven't thought of what I want to do yet. So maybe I'll come back. But that's the thing that's hard because of all the holiday stuff. It kind of sells out fast. But I do want to get some stickers. This is an 80 count sticker set. Jiggy loves stickers and so does Liam. So I'm going to just get this. And then I do like stamps. I think, yeah, I'm going to have to get a stamp set. And this is 8. Over here they have ornaments. They're beautiful. We've purchased a few that's still on our tree for every year. And then they have this one and then all the flowers. I love this. This is, Liam and I did this last year where we painted an ornament. So it's a 2-pack, so I think I'm gonna get, let's see, which one do I want? I want to get 2 of these. One of this and then one of this, and then Jacob and Liam can paint both. Over here they have ribbons, and then they have this cool felt ornament kit. I did something like this with Liam last year. They have foam sheets. Decorate your own gingerbread man. That's the one that we had last year. They've got bells. These suction cups are really great for in the shower for your loofah, by the way, if you guys are at a Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is so great for pretend play because Liam loves to wear different costumes, not even on Halloween, but like any other day. And they have these. Oh my gosh! Let's walk over here. They probably still have leftover Halloween stuff, but they have Ninja Turtle. We went to Party City for our hard shell, but this does a job.
Just getting some, so you guys have
Look at all the toys. They even have wigs. No, they didn't. For a while, I was obsessed with blow pops. Oh my, honey, do you remember? I used to eat one of these like while editing.
Oh my God.
Do you? Oh my gosh. I feel like if I get it, it's just gonna start a bad habit again. So I'm gonna put you back, blow pop. You need to stay over here in your container and I need to keep it moving. These are expandable towels. They get as big as this, like this Ninja Turtle one. I'm gonna get one for Liam and Jakey. Liam loves this. It's so fun how like it expands in the bathtub. So I'm getting them both Chase because we actually met Chase recently. So I think that would be a fun surprise for them.
Liam's been really into puzzles lately, so I think I'm gonna have to get him this PJ Masks one.
How
like
many
really
pieces?
Good. This is 24. They have some 48 ones that because this one I don't know, actually maybe looks a little too simple for him. He's like really good. He can do it all by himself. He'll like do it and then he'll come over and be like, "Daddy, close your eyes."
I
and
know.
Like, come over. It was so cool how, because before when he would do it, he would get really frustrated, you know, trying to like figure out how it goes. But now it's just amazing as he gets older, like seeing what he can do now.
You guys, this is such a funny like gag gift. These are funny face coasters. That is hilarious. So here they have books, and sometimes if you're lucky they'll have like books that YouTubers have made because I've seen it before. It's pretty amazing. They have like that Michael Jackson book here. Oh, Modern Family. I love that show.
Kind of a dork, but Liam loves using magnifying glasses to look at things. He's just really curious, so magnifying.
That's cute. Sometimes when Liam does his homework, he colors too hard and it breaks, so we're gonna get more. I'm getting some gift bags for my friend who's having a baby. I bought her a bunch of things for her baby, so this gift bag, this one, because they all can't fit in one, and then this one. Oh my gosh, you guys, the snack area got way better from the last time I visited. First of all, oh my god, they got mini vanilla wafers. I'm gonna have to get one of these. Second of all, they got Yan Yan. Are you kidding me? I love Yan Yan. I'm gonna get one, not one, but 2. They even have fudge stripes, Cheez-Its, Pringles, Oreos. I can't. Oh, and then they have these like little protein bars. Like, oh, they have Cliff Bars. I see you, Dollar Tree. Like,
this is the place to come for Halloween.
I know all the Halloween candy, but Halloween is now over. But let's still keep looking here. Oh my god, Rice Krispies treats. What else? Oh, when I was young, these cupcakes were so good. What else is here? Oh my god, mini donuts. These look good, but I'm not gonna get it. Oh, these muffins look so good. This Dollar Tree is just looking all sorts of good. I'm gonna get one of these toffee. Yes, these are the snacks I picked out, you guys. I think I want to get 2. I love vanilla wafers. Oh my gosh, don't judge your friend now. I have to get one of these. Like, I've been wanting Rice Krispies treats. I feel like I need it. Gonna add that too. Hey friends, so I'm actually back home. My camera broke. I dropped it on the floor and then it just, the lens wouldn't close and it kept saying some kind of lens error. See, it says lens error, will shut down automatically, restart camera. So I couldn't film anymore with my camera. Thankfully, I have 2 vlogging cameras. That's why you see me holding, I have the same vlogging camera on, like here. This is G7X and then that one's a G7X. Justin and I both have one. So if he's vlogging or somewhere, he gets to vlog. And if I'm at home or somewhere else, we both get to vlog and incorporate it in our family vlog channel. But I gotta get mine repaired. I mean, sheesh, it won't close. Like, I hear it trying to move, but it just won't close. Anyways, this is not part of the Dollar Tree haul. So by the way, they did not have the Oh Snap pickles that I was looking for, but I am good with bags. You know, baby shower bags, Christmas bags, even like wine bags and things like that. I do want to go back to Dollar Tree and think of gift ideas for Liam's friends for the holidays, like gift bags, because I do that every year. I think I missed the year when I was pregnant with Jacob. I was just so exhausted. You know, being pregnant makes you exhausted, right? But so my total at Dollar Tree was $142. That makes no sense because I only bought like probably like 40 pieces of stuff, right? Or even 30 some pieces. So that makes no sense. It does though when you got 2 gift cards to give away. I have 2 $50 gift cards. One is a giveaway for this channel, April Athena 7. So all you have to do is be a subscriber to my April Athena 7 channel. I will have a raffle copter link down below for you to enter. So anyone and everyone can enter. Yeah, if you guys want to, you guys can go ahead and do so. I like doing my giveaways hidden most of the time. Like 99% of the time my giveaways are hidden. And then people get mad at me and they're like, April, I didn't know about your giveaway. And I'm like, it's hidden in the end of the video most likely. And then I also have a giveaway on Instagram. So definitely if you guys want to join twice, you can do a Rafflecopter one on YouTube, and then I have a link for my Instagram one too. So definitely follow me on Instagram. It's April Athena 7. Both are $50 like I mentioned. Good luck on the giveaway, you guys. I love you guys. You guys, when you go to Dollar Tree with these gift cards that you win, you just be like, I will buy this, that, this, and that, all of that. Just put it in my cart. You know why? Because you can buy a lot with $50. I was just stuttering because I was so excited. And by the way, this candy, it's the lemon head candy cane. I don't know if I'll even have any more when it's time for Christmas because they're so good. I need to go back. This lemon head candy tastes like the middle of the lemon head. There's no sour part of the lemon head. It is so good. I'm gonna be editing this video right now after I chat with you guys and just eat this while I'm editing. I highly recommend lemon head candy cane. So good. Now I want to try the other flavors. Anyways, like I said, go enter the giveaway. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I will include my previous Dollar Tree Shop With Me video. It was a collab with my friend Kat. Definitely check it out, and I'll see you guys next.